Today we are going to be learning how to multiply two-digit number ending in 1. Two-digit number ending in 1. Example of such number we have is 21, 31, 41, 51, 61 and 71 multiplying themselves. Now, if we were to multiply a number as 21, here is a trick that we can do. 21, we have 1 times 1, which will give us 1, 2 times 2, which will give us 4, and then 2 plus 2, which will also give us 4. So 21 times 21 gives us 441. The next number is 31 times 31. We have 1 times 1, which gives us 1, 3 times 3, which gives us 9, and 3 plus 3 gives us 6. So we have that 31 times 31 gives us 961. Our next number is 41 times 41. Now, we have 1 times 1, which is 1, 4 times 4, which gives us 16, and then 4 plus 4 gives us 8. 41 times 41 gives us 1681. Our next number, 51 times 51. So for 51 times 51, the hack is quite different. What we have to do here is 1 times 1, which gives us 1, 5 times 5, which gives us 25. Now, 5 plus 5 gives us 10. We add the 10 in between 2 and 1. That is, our 10 comes here. We add it up. We have 1, 0, 6, 2. This is our answer. 51 times 51 gives us 2601. Our next is 61 times 61. We have 1 times 1, which gives us 1, 6 times 6, which gives us 36, and then 6 plus 6 gives us 12. You add the 12 here, you add it up, you have 3721. 61 times 61 gives us 3721. Let's try for 71 times 71. Now for 71 times 71, you have 1 times 1, 1. 7 times 7, you have 49. 7 plus 7, you have 14, which you place here. Add this up, you have 4. Okay, let's start from the bottom. You have 1, you have 4, you have 10, which you write as 0. You add up the 1 to the 4, you have 5. 71 times 71 gives us 5040.